You're watching Beyond Breaking News,
where the news is of the people,
for the people,
but
by the youth.
Please share your feedback about the bulletin.
This was a very new concept for me, for the sake that I've never seen a school take up journalism at such a young age so seriously, to the fact that they've created and put up such a beautiful show. I mean, anchors, journalists like you, and I enjoyed it thoroughly. I mean, there were some facts that I got to know through the news that I really didn't know. So a lot of new learning, and it was great privilege to be here, attend the event and see young people take up journalism so seriously.
सबसे पहले तो बीबीएन की पूरी टीम को बधाई, और बहुत ही अच्छा लगा। मुझे ऐसा लग रहा है कि सभी बच्चे बहुत मेहनत किए हैं, और रेयान इंटरनेशनल स्कूल की पूरी टीम और पूरे बच्चों को बहुत बहुत बधाई। बहुत ही अच्छा और सुखद अनुभव रहा। लगा कि ऐसी मेहनत यहाँ पे होती रहनी चाहिए, जिससे बच्चे अपना भविष्य और उज्जवल कर सकें।
Really wonderful, and I will say that you all are really privileged to have BBN in Rayan International School. Since when we were studying, at that time we didn't get such opportunity, but now you all are privileged to have this BBN in Rayan International, and I like that you all should be with this BBN for this course.
Well, it was a pleasure being associated with the activity. The small children, when they come up with these programs, it really is so heartening, because one cannot understand what a journalist has. A journalist actually is one of the key persons who takes the responsibility of the society. So I congratulate all of them who are so confidently speaking and covering the event. All the best wishes to them.
Yes, it was fabulous. The work of children was very nice, very good. Children were confident. I saw their public speaking skills, their presentation, all was excellent. It was a very good bulletin.
Overall, whatever I have seen in BBN, it was very nice presentation and very motivative, and it has given very much knowledge to us.
It was very nice and informative. All the informations were very clear, and small things were also, it was highlighted कि कहाँ से you have picked the information. It was very clear.
The bulletin was very nice. It's well organized and very informative. I am really grateful and thankful to the BBN team. Thank you for have my children here, my daughter here.
Very informative, and we get information about different subjects and different topics and what is happening in the world around. So it is really informative.
बुलेटिन का कार्य मुझे बहुत अच्छा लगा, जिसमें मेरे बच्चे ने बहुत कुछ सीखा, और आज उसका कॉन्फिडेंट देख के मुझे हाई लेवल लग रहा है। बहुत अच्छी चीज़ें हैं ये। थैंक यू।
बहुत अच्छा लगा बुलेटिन में, अच्छे चीज़ें सिखाई गई, बच्चों को नॉलेज बढ़ी, और आगे चल के ये चीज़ें हमारे बच्चों के लिए बहुत ही ज़्यादा कारगर साबित होंगी।
What message would you like to give to the youth of India in this digital age?
I would like to share with all the youths that really technology as AI and several other technologies are really very helpful if they are used in good sense, in proper direction. Just the BBN which they have started the course over, it is just because of this technology that they are pursuing this course. So really, if the technology is used in a good sense, in good direction, it is very fruitful.
Digital age, this is a boon and a bane. I mean, this is how you use it. So the way you guys are using it, I mean, I really wish that the kind of journals that people presented today, some of you can actually take up journalism seriously in the future. So this is a seed that has been planted, and I wish the youth to take up activities like these so as to make career into journalism. And since journalism itself is the fourth pillar of the democracy, this will also strengthen the nation and will make the journalism of India bright, ethical and long way.
Use the time बी फ्रेंडली विथ बुक्स और खूब अच्छी मेहनत करें, आगे बढ़ें। मेरी खूब शुभकामनाएं आपको।
See, technology has a very, you can say it is a two-edged sword. If you utilize it the way you people have been utilizing it, it is a real source of, I will say that it will really benefit the society. And you people are in such an age that, and you people have taken up the digital editor. So this is a real thing that you can take it forward and enlighten people and bring all the what you call issues of the society to the government of the day. So I would request and encourage all these people to do their work the way they are doing, and all the very best to the students of Ryan.
What message would you like to convey to Chairman sir?
We request him to do such activities more in the school because it boosts our children's confidence more.
Thank you Chairman sir. मैंने यहाँ देखा मेरी बेटी बहुत मतलब वो कर रही थी तो मुझे बहुत अच्छा लगा.
It was a wonderful platform provided to the students. His vision, making every Ryanite a global citizen, is coming true.
Bulletin gave children too much knowledge and I am much thankful to Chairman sir.
मैं चेयरमैन सर को थैंक यू बोलना चाहती हूँ कि उन्होंने रायन इंटरनेशनल को इन शाहजहांपुर में इतना अच्छा कोर्स अवेलेबल कराया है. इसके लिए बच्चों को आगे बढ़ने का प्रोत्साहन मिलता है और थैंक यू सर.
He is doing a great job by bringing such courses, and I would like to just give him a message that bring more such courses to the children so that they can improve and they can do good in other things also other than studies.
Thank you so much Chairman sir to really give us Ryan in Shahjahanpur. So it's a great place to learn and grow.
They have taken a very great effort for the overall development of the children. I'm looking forward for more such programs in the school so that the child can develop overall. Thank you.
Thank you Chairman sir for give the so more opportunity for the Ryanites, and I hope they developed her communication skill, and this course is very beneficial in future time.
It was a great experience and you should all encourage your child to join this course.
It is indeed a privilege to be a part of certificate distribution ceremony of the students who have successfully completed their hands-on training of the TV news presentation and production course at the Ryan TV Shahjahanpur.
Ryan International School through Ryan TV created and conducted Beyond Breaking News,
training more than 3,800 young journalists. The BBN course helps offer students yet another career option, aiding in the all-round development of these youngsters. Kudos to the Ryan International Schools. I wish them all the best for the future endeavors, and my heartiest congratulations to the students.
On that note, this is YJ Pavni, and this is YJ Manasvi,
this is YJ Samaira,
and this is YJ Pavni, this is YJ Raya,
and this is YJ Mahi.
I am YJ Harshdeep,
and I am YJ Abhishek.
This is YJ Akriti,
and YJ Harleen.
This is YJ Kian,
and this is YJ Omvik.
This is YJ Lavish.
And this is YJ Ananya.
This is YJ Shaurya.
And this is YJ Daksh.
This is YJ Athar.
And this is YJ Akashdeep signing off for Beyond Breaking News.
I hereby declare BBN course 2024 at Ryan TV Shahjahanpur closed.
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 Closed.